Welcome to TANBead Lab Tech. In this video, you'll learn the essential operating workflow of the Switch 8 automated nucleic acid extraction system, helping you complete your laboratory extractions with greater efficiency and confidence. Before starting, press the switch at the back of the top lid to open it. Select the appropriate gearbox and slide it along the rail until the magnet clicks into place. Then close the lid securely. Next, open the door lid and install the heating plate that matches the required throughput. Ensure that the plate is properly aligned with the positioning pins as you place it inside. Connect the power cable and turn on the Switch 8. Refer to the label on top of the gearbox to choose the rod type. Then log in using your user account on the touchscreen panel. Place the spin tip assembled box onto the heating plate. Ensure that the gearbox displayed on the main menu matches the consumables you are working with. Tap on Run icon to enter program list. You may search for the program you intend to run. Then double-tap the selected program to proceed. Tap Next, select the intended spin tip's position, and choose the Mount icon. Follow the on-screen instructions to insert the correct spin tips and wait for the system to complete the loading process. When the reminder appears, remove the spin tip assembled box. Place the autoplate or autotube containing your prepared samples onto the heating plate, ensuring the cut corner is oriented toward the lower left. Once aligned, close the door lid. Tap Yes to begin the process. During operation, you can monitor the process in real time. If needed, you may pause or stop the run. Once the run is completed, the system will provide a notification. Then tap Reports to export the data. Afterward, return to the previous screen, select the appropriate position, and tap Eject. Once the spin tips have been released and the Switch 8 has fully stopped, you may remove them along with the samples. The same eject procedure can also be performed from the tip menu on the home screen. To ensure long-term performance and consistent extraction quality, let's move on to the key points of daily maintenance and routine care. After closing the door lid, tap the UV lamp icon and enter the desired duration. A minimum of 5 minutes of UV disinfection is recommended after each run. At the end of the day, activate a 15-minute disinfection cycle to reduce contamination risks. After ensuring the power is off, apply 75% ethanol to a clean wipe and disinfect all internal surfaces, the heating plate, and the inner top lid. Remove the gearbox and clean the inner door area as well. For cleaning the used gearbox, rotate the top gear counterclockwise to fully extend the magnetic rods. Wipe each rod using double distilled water and a Kim wipe. Then rotate the top gear clockwise to return the magnetic rods to their original position. This concludes the basic operation and maintenance guide for the Switch 8 system. For additional technical information, please refer to the user manual or contact TANBead technical support.